That's berry hibiscus tea. Them dates. I mean, them figs. Huh? That's what Adam and Eve wrapped themselves in with fig leaves after they ate the apple, and they found that they was naked. Yeah. You want to try one? Come get one. They real good for you. They sweet too. This is actually, hey y'all. This is my lunch today. Some filet chicken breast, some greens, some candy yams, brown rice, oranges, dates, and berry hibiscus tea. This is actually dinner I made last night, but baby, he didn't want it. He didn't want his plate, so I'm eating it for lunch today. But yet he still want to eat on pork, and that's why I'm eating outside now, because he kicked me out. He just left. He still want to eat on pork steaks. He in there cooking some now. But yeah, guys, watch me. Come get you one.
I want to mess up the video. I see you doing, you know what I'm saying, spreading the good influence. Yeah.
They okay?
That's like a big razor.
You welcome. Get my number. 777-0321. When I say I'm sick of that man, dude think I need him, bro. I'm just waiting for next month. Cause I'm finna move into my own shit. Cause he's starting to hate. He's starting to hate on me, man. 777-0321. Huh? 0321. Jamaica. Your name what? What you doing? Wait on me. Let me ride with you. Okay. Hey, Robert. Okay. Just call me. This so fire. It has 0 calories. I just got it's berry hibiscus tea, and I just added some lemon juice to it. No sugar. And when I do want something sweet, I put a bag of honey in it, but I didn't do it this time. So this is actually 0 calories. You see how pretty that is? It's 0 calories, baby. Y'all talk to me. You see what I gotta go through this. At first, oh Lord, I go through so much with him, man. Y'all don't know what I go through with this dude, man. Cause as I said, everybody's starting like even my own mama hating, bitch ass police hating, these ugly ass hoes in the streets hating, and the nigga that you so far supposed to be bitch on your team, he, you know what I'm saying? He hates. He the biggest. He my biggest hater. And I'm feeding you. I'm serving you plates. Just like yesterday, when I made them fish sandwiches and fries, he ended up in some he wanted some sausage links, so I had some sausage links on 2 pieces of wheat bread and some hot sauce and some mustard and relish. And shit, he ate that shit, and then he ended up going to the liquor store and buying some nasty ass $2 cheap ass gin, and was sick. When I took that picture I uploaded to him, he was thrown in, fucked up, sick. So now he grudged because he said because he told me already he the enemy. He ain't one of the God's people. He going to hell too. One thing about it, because he just think I'm just such a bad person. Like something, yeah, I'm with your mama. Bro, on the hood the other day when she called the police on the blood, she told the police to shoot me down, bro. Real shit, bro. Like no bullshit. My own mama told the police officers to shoot me down, bro. And that she ain't want to see my face no more. I keep calling her. The bitch won't even answer the phone. All I'm trying to call her to see, when I do go get my money on the 1st of next month, I gotta call the police just to go. I'm trying to see how my motherfucking transcript got mailed yet. The bitch won't even answer the phone. I know it's there. I'm gonna have to go around. I'm gonna have to call the police later on and go around there. Cause that's what they told me to do. They said I gotta call the police if I. This shit here don't make no sense, man. For real. At all. I know I don't need him. Shit, I don't know what day they doing, bro. I know that's what I'm saying. When I get next month on the blood, I'm gonna send him 100. The whole time he been in there, I ain't seen no money, but I'm gonna send. I got income now, so I'm gonna be able to send 100 next month. Cause see, he say he getting out in August, but shit, he said he called me the other day. Shit, he said he had a girlfriend, so I don't know what he gonna do. Like I said, I really ain't fucked up about no nigga, man. If a motherfucker can't put no ring on my finger, I ain't fucked up about him, bro. Cause I know how good I am. These niggas just be pussy and be hating. He got hair on his head anyway on the blood. He had long, like his dreads short now, but on the blood, he had some long. He had got a whole whip, bro. On the blood, dude came down with a BMW, bro. That shit shocked the fuck out of. He came down with. When I did have motherfuckers took it all from me, hey, they still won't fuck with me. They not fucking with me while I'm walking or riding, or while I was riding. When no, I ain't. Still, since I've been, you know what I'm saying, moving around, I still ain't seen no hoe that was as clean as I was out here with my cars. I still ain't seen no hoe that was as clean, bro. I kept my car, all my cars. And two of them gone to the city. These right here called fibs. They the organic ones. My TV gone all day. I don't care, cause I ain't gonna be here anyway. I'll be walking the streets, hustling up me some money so I can get me some gum. Just the whole ass, that shit high too. That shit high. That nigga gonna cost $13 a box. Then the whole ass police had the nerve to take my gun. Cause that shit was working. I told you I had while I was chewing it, I went 2 whole days without smoking. But shit, I got caught up with the police and they took the last couple of pieces I had left. I don't know if I'm gonna be good tonight or what. I just don't want to be around nobody, you know what I'm saying? I just don't want to be around no enemy on BD. I don't want to be around no hater. Or a bitch that's gonna, you know what I'm saying, talk all night and shit like that. I just want some peace. That's why I'm glad I'm finna get my own spot. Cause I know how clean I am. Then his van be so motherfucking nasty. He keep the. It's funny cause it's mighty funny cause and two of them gone to the system. I'm only gonna have to be paying about $335. Well, some of them anyway. They still want to be greedy and stingy. Don't want to give a nigga no money. Hell no, I ain't shit free. They must not know I was I sold pussy. I was a whole prostitute. You can say what you want about a prostitute, but shit, bitch, I was getting some money on the blood. I was getting some money. I wasn't fucking for free. Shit. I ain't gonna lay up and just be fucking on a nigga for free and let him dog me out and take me out down through there. Hell no, I ain't no damn fool. I got too much knowledge. Nigga, never.